Not often we get continental porcelain to show you, but this came in a mixed box from an auction and turns out to be a very nice set indeed. Furstenberg, one of Germany's oldest traditional hard paste or porcelain manufacturers, right back to 1780s, I think 1790s when you research their history. These pieces date from 1930s, so just pre-war, but they're really, really fine, beautifully moulded. The detail in the mouldings is really nicely outlined in that sort of red banding that they've used, and the moulding and transfer wear very fine. So let's show you some of these pieces. We're selling it as a 3 set because it didn't come with any teacups, just these 3 pieces, so we're going to sell it as a sort of part tea set. Open sugar bowl, fine hard paste porcelain, nice decoration all around the outer aspect of it, with 1930s F for first install. It's also got some reference numbers on here in the red. Don't know the significance of that. Can't find any reference material for Furstenberg to give us a clue on that. Half pint squat ball milk jug. Narrow rim, as you can see. Nice spout. Good decoration. Lovely moulding details on this. Very ornate. Typical continental handle, really, isn't it? Lovely transfer wear, front and rear. I think that's gentian on one side and some, don't know what those are, gentian and some other flowers. Again with the F for first install with the dot after it, giving us a date range 1930s, 1940s. This one's actually got impress marked 5 or 641 over 3.5. Again, can't find any reference detailing the details of that, but the pièce de la résistance is this absolutely beautiful global ball teapot with that beautifully moulded handle on the lid. Nice spout in good condition, nice red detailing around the outer aspect. All the mouldings here again highlighted by the decorators with the red gear. I was going to say gilt, but it's not gilt. It's got a very intricate locking lid with a sort of double lock that has to be positioned so and then rotated, and that's very firm, probably why it survives so well. Incredibly clean. I mean, I don't think this one, well, it has got some stain. I think that's more dust than staining, because when you look right the way through, and particularly the way to tell whether a teapot's ever been used is to get a good light source and have a look just behind those sieve perforations in the body of the teapot, and if there's no staining behind there, then it's pristine and mint. And this one's incredibly clean. Nice clean rim, good handle, base plate again just with the F for first install. This one's got an impress mark 543 over 2, and it's in beautiful condition. But you know, that moulded rosebud handle is just delightful, isn't it? Don't see that very often on more modern pieces. 1930s to 1940s on those marks. A lovely floral design. I should show you the panel work on here, front and rear. Roses on this side, carnations or cornflowers on that side. A lovely 3-piece set of Furstenberg German hard paste or porcelain china in very, very fine condition. Thanks for watching.